Anybody home? Wow, look at this place.
Merry Christmas.
Man, we've transformed this 24-foot house, or 24-foot house for $25,000, everybody. I get 24 and 25 mixed up. So we painted the inside. Look, they just put a what's that, like a tan?
It's like an off-white or
Off-white
something.
tan.
It's really pretty.
A million ways you can decorate this.
Yeah.
All right, we wanted to give you, listen here, this is $25,000 full-blown house. We just gave away a mini split and a bay window that it was included in a $25,000 house. So if you're one of the 100 people that called within 60 minutes of our live show, I don't think you want to pass this up. If you got to go steal something and sell it to pay for this.
Did you say we don't encourage, we do not encourage stealing?
Listen, I'm going to kick back in here. This is a full-blown, it is a little cool outside. It's about 45 degrees, and we've got a Christmas parade. We're going to Gatlinburg.
Yeah.
Look at this.
This is so great, everybody.
25 grand. You have a home forever. The house will not deteriorate. It just won't go. There's no 2x4s in these walls. There's no studs in the ceiling.
There's something I just have to point out. I mean, there is a full-blown 6-foot, 8-foot tree in a tiny home.
Yeah, and I can walk around it. And this could be a bedroom, right? Push the tree down, put a sofa there. So we have a fireplace.
I mean, this is gorgeous.
We can put a TV up anywhere you would like to do whatever you need to do in this house. 24 feet long. I just had to get this video out today.
Randy, I've only showed half of it. I've not even showed the kitchen yet. So I'm standing back here, and we've not even seen the kitchen yet.
This is so cool. I am, people say, I've had a couple, even a friend would say, man, Randy, you're like a car salesman. You get excited and you got all this energy and you're trying to tell about the houses. I have to be energized because there's nobody in the entire United States that is selling this kind of home.
It's a home.
For $25,000.
$25,000.
We put some furniture in here to give you an idea of what this thing can look like.
This is just stunning. Melody did a fantastic job. Can I show that bay window and let's kind of talk about that for a little bit?
This was included free.
Yeah.
In our 1-hour broadcast.
Well, in the bay window, I just want to say that it has got at least 2
It's
foot?
approximately,
3?
it's almost 2 foot out.
Yeah.
And it's almost 8 foot wide. This bay window alone is probably $3,000 or $4,000 if you had to go buy it at Lowe's.
100%.
And just put it on a regular house.
100%.
Yeah.
But look at this storage back here. You can either put decor, you could put blankets, you can do whatever that you wanted to right there. You could stack books, you could do videos, put some of your media stuff there, whatever you wanted to behind storage right there.
Yeah, no.
Do whatever you wanted.
So let me point out what these houses are made out of. You see all these screws, right? Mm-hmm. Everything, and there's no wood whatsoever in this house.
This is the old panels.
And so what we did, this is a metal strip that goes here to here, and it actually fastens the roof, one of the fasteners, to the roof to the wall. And then we've got them on the outside and other places, the way we've engineered this house. Mm-hmm. Massive, strong, been down the interstate, back and forth. These things are just awesome built.
They're durable.
I want to show you that aesthetically, this hasn't got the beautiful trim and the window sills like our model homes. Mm-hmm. It's 25 grand.
Yeah.
Now we put wood around the floor for bases and our plugs. You can go in here and you can put trim around here. You could add wood to all the walls. This is a DIY if you wanted to. If you don't, it can stay like this forever.
It is beautiful.
There's no reason that you have to do anything else to this house.
So
what we did is we painted the ceilings white, and we painted the walls. And as you guys can see, the more stuff you hang up, here's a magnet hook. The more stuff that you hang up and put in the house, the less you're going to actually see of the walls.
And there's actually a place to sit. And with having this kind of, the higher top table with the little stools on there, you have a place to eat. A separate area. And
there's so much more to put. We don't have a coat rack that you could put up. You place to put your boots. You place to put other stuff.
You could put a coat rack right there.
You could. We just have not done it, I said. So there's so much more things that you could actually add. I'm sure if you got in here and wanted to live, Mandy, you'd have a million things that you would add to the house that you could put on here. Actually, you can put a ceiling fan in here if you like. You can run it from the door up. There's just a lot of stuff. And this is it doesn't have to be a DIY. You can live in it the way you want. I just was excited. Want to give you one more video.
And something before we turn around and show the kitchen and the bathroom, I wanted to say that, you know, you could actually even section off that area back there if you wanted that to be a bedroom. You could put a curtain across there if you wanted to and make this the living room and dining room area.
And that's kind of what it was designed for. It really was. It was made to come out about 8 foot for the bedroom.
Yep.
And then 8 foot for the living room.
Yep.
And then 8 foot for the kitchen and bathroom.
Right.
That's what it was designed to do. Now, we used to do the RJO, and the RJO came in with the door on the end.
Yeah.
Then we put it on the side. The reason I like this Incredibox floor plan is that when you walk in, the 8 feet that you come in, you actually have more room because you're coming in inside the kitchen bathroom area.
Right.
So the bathroom is in the back of the house, straight across the back. And then you get your kitchen, so it's like an L shape because you got your fridge here. Now this is the water heater, and we've changed this a little bit. We're bringing this wall out, making it flush, and then you can actually hang a curtain.
That'd be great.
Or a panel over
I like that. Yes.
We're going to do that. Actually adding 2 more plugs, and we're moving the 2 bedroom windows. We call them bedroom because the 8 foot could be a bedroom. We're going to move them up towards the living room area.
Okay.
So if you do put an interior wall or a curtain, you have one bed and one window, and then the windows are in the living room.
Okay.
Okay.
And those were changes that was made the other day. You made notes while we were doing the live show. We were on for 2 hours and 28 minutes whenever we were talking about this sale once again. And I think because we did the live show and we really went in depth talking about it, people really understood. And then you threw in a mini split and the bay window for free. Yeah. I mean, that's
so we're
amazing.
adding 2 plugs to people's suggestions, what I thought was amazing suggestion. And we're adding to move the windows. One thing I wanted to point out is there are plugs here.
Okay.
Okay. And this is for your
There's
TV.
There's a plug as well.
If you want a TV, you got a plug here. Also, there's a plug over here at the end of this cabinet. Now, this is a designated socket, right? A designated plug, meaning it has its own breaker.
Okay.
And the reason is because we figured somebody might want to put a refrigerator
Sure.
or a washer and dryer.
Washer-dryer combo.
If you put a washer and dryer combo underneath here, you still get your countertop.
Okay.
You can run your plumbing behind your cabinets and hook it to underneath your sink.
Okay.
And you have a washer and dryer combo. So this is a little bit of DIY. If you want us to do those things, we do install those, of course, for an extra charge. But if you would like that, go to our website. We have a list of amenities. Give us a call. Talk to our sales staff and say, hey, I seen Randy. I want to make sure that, hey, can I get the washer and dryer combo added on there? Can I get the interior wall or the loft?
Right.
We'll be glad to add those things to you. The only thing we're not doing right now is adding any kind of wood interior to the house.
Right.
What you can do.
Does this come? Does that come like
this
that?
This comes like this right here.
Okay.
What you can do if you want a wood RJO, we sell wood RJOs.
Yeah.
And our Amish build them. So if you want a 16, 20, 24 foot RJO, let us know. We'll build it out of wood. We'll put LP siding. We'll put lap siding, wood interior, everything, white painted wood inside.
Beautiful.
Let us know. We do have those. It's called the bronze, silver, and gold plan for our wood RJOs.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we see can we show that area in the back? We didn't really show that. Here's the kitchen, of course. You see the cabinets and everything. That is the same cabinets that go into our model homes.
Yep. And it's an 1.5 inch countertop.
Very thick countertop. It's very nice.
You got that right there.
Yep.
If you guys want a farm style sink to go in here, we'll put a farm style sink on there for you. It'll look really nice. These cabinets are soft close. They got the dovetail joinery.
Yep.
All maple.
Beautiful.
There's no plywood in it. Soft close, as you can see.
Very nice. And
2
right
cabinets.
here.
This is made for a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. 60 inches. This is about 62. And this will accommodate, like I said, a 10 cubic foot refrigerator.
And you are, like you just kind of reiterate what you said, you are changing to where that if you have the
Yeah, this will come in a little bit more. And then you can actually put a panel over this. If you'd like a panel for us to do that, we'll do it for you.
Nice.
Or you can put a curtain.
Sure.
Now, one thing I want to point out. I don't know, I had a customer say that our holes were drilled too big for our pipes and stuff. See this right here? That hole is a little bit big, right? Well, What we do is underneath here is all spray foamed and insulated floor.
Okay.
Everything's sealed off from the bottom, the sides, everything. There's no way critters or anything else can come in there.
Oh, the concern was a mouse or something?
What I want to point out is the craftsmanship.
Yeah.
This is a production home. I can understand that might get a little bit tighter on there, but I'm not concerned with that because it's behind the refrigerator. And I'm just going to point it out. I point out a lot of craftsmen and carpentry skill levels that we have. This home is made like you see, the wood trim, right? You see this right here? Man, I want to point out, you see that? That's a sharp edge, that's a corner, that's a metal strip through here. This is not supposed to be a refined, let me grab that camera right there. That right there, that is not supposed to be refined and perfectly straight all the way down and through that. That's just the way these homes are constructed. And that's a plug for your refrigerator. You see that box sticking out? That's the way that's going to look. We are not going to cover that up. We're not going to make it look any better than what it is. That hole underneath there, you can see it's square and cut out. It's behind the refrigerator. You won't see that. The wires behind there, that's going to stay the way that is because you're going to put a curtain or something over top of that. I had one customer that was disillusioned by the fact that this home was not beautiful, perfect like our stick-built Amish homes. This is not supposed to be that way. So I just want to point this out. This is a $25,000 house. It is as strong and durable, probably more durable than the model homes that are built out of wood.
And two, I just want to say that that's one person out of all of the ESP homes that we have sold. One out of, I don't know how many we've sold.
And that's fine, but it was something that was brought up, and I want to make sure that everybody in this world knows what these houses look like. I love these homes.
And we show these houses constantly, and we're very transparent. So nothing was being hid at all.
Right on the sales lot. We have tons of people. This is a 36, well, look here. This is a 36-inch shower. This is a household residential shower. It's not an RV shower. Everything in here. Yep. Just like this, a little discussion. There you go, up against the wall. There you got it.
And
regular toilet. Now this particular home, we showed it has solar, and this is the solar, and this is an EMP. This is a surge protector for the home, which you guys can get.
So if you add that on
for $1,000, you can put that on there, and you'll never have a computer fry, lightning strike. Don't have to ever worry.
So the EMP, do you have to have solar to buy an EMP?
So you got an AC and a DC.
Okay.
So AC is no solar, DC is with solar.
Okay.
So you can protect your entire house. And we have, it's like an insurance plan. You may never need it, but boy, if it ever strikes, you're going to lose thousands of dollars worth of stuff.
And we've had people that it has hit and trouble happened.
But this is the solar. This way it comes. We build a custom cabinet for it. If you want it off-grid, we can actually put water pumps behind here. Off-grid, water catchment, compost toilet, you name it.
And this is the toilet you get. This is the type of standard toilet that we get.
Yep. And there's also a plug on the side of the toilet over here. And that is made, that right there is made for your compost toilet. So if you ever wanted to just remove this and you wanted to go off-grid, you can put a compost toilet right here. Well, there you have it. This is a 24-foot, $25,000 house, right? We were offering on our 1-hour broadcast a free mini split and a free bay window. We had 100 people that said, Randy, I want in on that deal. Now, what we've learned in our previous deals and the previous sales that we've had, we may take in 100, 200, 300 contracts at sometimes, and not everybody buys. So we're going to let you know how that comes about. And if you guys have called in or emailed and said, Randy, I want this house, I just wanted to show you this is what you're missing out on if you don't go through with your contract. Now, we're working out a deal to where all you need to do is put your $500 down. We're charging $500 just to get a contract. That comes off the total price of your home. The $500 is that you're committed to buying the house, and that's a non-refundable $500, okay? But we're going to apply it to the sale of the house. Then all we require is a $5,000 deposit until we get ready to build. 6 weeks before we tell you we're going to build these homes, which we hope that we can start these at the end of February, means right around the end of January, 1st of February, we're going to need full payment on these homes. Okay? If you want to make a full payment right now, pay it all, Randy. I want to give you $25,000 plus whatever amenities that you bought.
And you're on the list.
You're on the number top list. We're going to build your house first. Okay? So there you have it. I don't know how much to get more transparent than that.
I mean, a Christmas tree, a full-blown Christmas tree is in a tiny home.
This is awesome.
And that should be the title.
Yes, full-blown Christmas tree. They've decorated.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Chris and Melody for putting all this together. This is a complete entertainment center that could put a TV right here.
Absolutely, with fireplace. Look at that. This is not small furniture. This is not tiny home furniture. This is regular furniture.
Regular love seat.
You could have had a bigger sofa.
Man.
Looks beautiful.
All right, everybody. We're going to Gatlinburg right now. We're getting ready to head out. We'll probably do a live broadcast. Hopefully we can get this out here before the parade. We'll get this live out here to you. And so tune in. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. We're trying to get to 200,000 subscribers by the end of this year. We got 12,000 more home people to sign up for us.
And I think the parade, it's Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and I think it starts at 7:30 until 9. I think that's what the parade is. So we're going to try and share as many pictures and do as much as we can. I'm not sure about what internet we can do or how we can post, but we'll do our best.
We sure will. And the rain has let off a little bit. They said it's going to quit. So hopefully it'll be a beautiful night in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
We have some employees going. We have some residents going. So it should be a lot of fun. And Ace is going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. All right, everybody. Have a great night. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.